Yes guys, good evening. I'm here in Hala Plaza. I always happy to be here, and let's eat. We try this red sauce restaurant. Yan. Bili tayo ng drinks dito sa small store dito sa Ice Box. Yan guys. Dito lang yan sa tapat. Yan. Order tayo, 500 pills lang. Medyo mura lang to. Avocado shake. Avocado yan guys. Ginagawa na. Ayan guys, habang ginagawa ito yung hala. Yan. Napakaganda nitong place na to. Napakatahimik. Dito ako mostly nagtatambay. Yan, marami pong kainan dito. Yan. Yan, may sign niya po rito. Pwede kayong mag-shopping. Yan. Hope sana masarap. Para pwede nating balikan. Just 500 pills. Thank you. Ayan. Balik tayo doon sa red sauce. Ayan guys, actually nag-order na po ako. Ayun. Dito na yung order ko. So yan guys, kain po muna tayo. Tingnan natin kung yan guys, kain tayo. Ayan, thank you very much. Guys, dito po ako kumain sa labas. So far okay naman yung yung climate.
ST weather pala.
Masyadong mainit. So yun, happy eating po tayo.
How do I deal with what I'm feeling? Maybe I just don't. What you do when I'm in ruins all alone? Me forget about you. You just came out of the blue. If you only knew. Let's sit and have a cup of coffee. Let's go to a restaurant. Go to a field, pick up some strawberries. Then maybe let's fall in love. Sit and have a cup of coffee. Let's go to a restaurant. To a field, pick up some strawberries. Then maybe let's fall in love. Sit and have a cup
kayo. Nabusog at paano. Okay naman. Fair enough. Sakto lang. So guys, just to stay couple of minutes. So yun guys, pamisa-misan dumadaan ako dito. Dito talaga ako nagtatambay mostly pagka hindi ako nag-gym or nagre-rest mode ako sa bahay. So dito ako sa Hala Plaza, most especially in Caribou. I spend time there to chill. And guys, tapos na po tayong kumain, and then punta na po ako sa Caribou. Ayan, napakaganda po ng place dito, napakatahimik, maraming kainan, minsan matao, minsan kakaunti. Timing din yung mga pumupunta. Most especially kadalasan kasi pumupunta rito yung mga estudyante. Yan, nagko-copy, nag-study sila sa sa loob ng coffee shop. So yun, meron dito na I don't know how many coffee shop have here, but there is two big coffee shop here. So ayan guys, ayan, punta na po tayo. Ayan guys, tingnan niyo itong ito yung fountain. Ayan. So kunin ko lang yung aking laptop. Ayan. Guys, ang Hala Plaza is located at Sind's area. The two big coffee shop here are the Caribou and the Mocha Floor Coffee House. Ayan, dito po tayo. I think I need to sit here. Ayan. Hello, good evening. You take caramel? Okay.
Caramel. High rice or salted caramel?
Salted caramel.
Salted caramel.
Ah, salted caramel.
Cold, sir.
Guys. Guys, wow. tayo. Guys, thank you again for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers!